Hi guys, back for the fourth exercise. So this is the last one in our set. So it's just a quick agility drill. So focusing on really sharp turns. I've used soup tins, but you can use any kind of equipment to set up an agility course. And the other thing you can do, you can space them out further apart or closer together, depending on how difficult you want to make the course. Okay, so we'll just do it through twice, just so you get the idea. Hope you've enjoyed it, guys. Thanks very much.